For those of you who don't get out enough, today was a glorious display of nature at its finest. This stream, this light, this forest, it's like stepping into a dream. The water dances gently over rocks, flanked by lush, vibrant green under a canopy of towering evergreens. You can feel the peace here in your heart. You can breathe it into your soul. As I rose up through the trees, something magical happened. Mount Timpanogus revealed herself, and she looks every bit like the Swiss Alps, jagged, majestic, unexpectedly grand. It's hard to believe we're still in Utah. The higher I climbed, the more unreal and magical it became. I decided to head up toward the summit, and as I flew higher, I was stunned. Just look at those rugged cliffs, those towering peaks, snow still clinging to their shadows like memories of winter. Trees grow where they can, clinging to rock, reaching for the sky. This wild country is untouched and achingly beautiful. From up there, as I back up to where I started, I see what the eagles see. The blue of the sky, so pure it almost doesn't look real. The snow cuts a brilliant white across the rock face of the cliffs. Thick green forests stretch endlessly below, fading into browns, golds, and shadows. Everything feels alive. Everything feels just perfect. And after my flight, I found something unexpected. I followed the sound of water and found this hidden sanctuary, a stream fed by snowmelt, winding through a carpet of moss. It was soft, springy, green, and vibrant. I could have been in the Northwest, Oregon, Washington, or British Columbia, but no, I was still on the backside of Timp, just sitting there alone, letting the cold water swirl around my hiking boots, listening to it dance over the pebbles and stones. It quieted and subdued something deep inside of me. It brought me a moment of profound peace. I hope that this video brought you a moment of peace. If so, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to feel more peace and see something beautiful today. And in the comments, let me know. What's your favorite way to experience peace and contentment in nature? I look forward to seeing you next time.